May profits be upon you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're going to take a look at gold. I said gold. Oil, U.S. oil, WTI, Texas. All right. WTI oil. Okay. First, what I want you to see is that I'm working my way down the list. We've done gold. We're doing oil now. And I'm looking to do these after this one. Go check out the gold one and go check out the one I did before that, which is the futures outlook, looking at each individual currencies. I urge you to look at that video first and then see the rest of the playlist. I got them all on the playlist, and the ones that are going to follow are going to be on the same playlist. Anyway, let's take a look at oil. First thing I want you to notice, structure. Structure is king. All right. Let's look at that COP report. 79% of the banking institutions are long in oil. They closed 2,238 long positions. They closed them, right? But look how many they closed in the shorts. 18,157. They closed 18,157 shorts. The majority is long. That's something to bear in mind. All right. Also, OPEC. Last Wednesday, they decided, much to the chagrin of the U.S., to cut oil supply, which will bring prices higher. In light of that, I'm looking at a bullish outlook. All right. I want you to see that on the monthly, we have this bullish impulse, right? Breaking structure to the upside. That's significant. And we have a flip zone here as well. Supply turn to demand. All right. Flip to demand here. All right. Price broke it, flip, and then came up. All right. What are we going to do? We're going to come back and test that demand zone that is responsible for breaking that supply. All right. That's the way this thing works. Price came into this area here. All right. And we have a new bullish leg there. But I just need you to see that we are in the monthly demand zone here. That's what I got. That's what I have highlighted here. Okay. You can see that big old M. That's what that means. Let's look at the weekly. Okay. On the weekly, we can see the monthly outline. All right. Inside, price established this bullish leg of structure here, and we haven't broken the top yet, right? We're still working, and now we are correcting this bullish leg. And what kind of correction are we looking for? At least a 50% retracement, all right? Preferably below the 50% area, which would be here. If I can move that, all right? And that's exactly what we did. We come into from premium to discount. That's what that 50%, the EQ, the equilibrium of this trading range is, right? And we took longs from there. If you remember, the last 2 weeks I've been talking about taking longs in oil. I specifically said, listen, it's going to go contrary to some people's outlooks and so-called experts and gurus or whatever. Some of them, there were some that were talking about a continued bearishness, and I was like, no, we're in the demand. We're in demand. I'm looking for price to turn around, and it did. Okay, go look at those last two oil outlooks that I put out, if you would. All right, I think they're worth checking out. Now, what we can see with this correction, this corrective structure, is that we're breaking lows on the way down. Lower lows, lower highs, all the way down. And what does that mean? We're just facilitating what could possibly be the higher low, right? Because what do we have? We made a higher high. The price pulled back, didn't break that high, and continued that pullback. Now, what do we look for to find out to indicate that price is changing directions once again. We're looking for a change of character, right? We're looking for a break of internal structure. All right. Once you break a lower high, that's exactly what you just did. We have an internal break of structure to the upside, and there is momentum in that candles or in those candles there. All right. This is the impulsive move from the swing low, and it's very impulsive, a lot of momentum, and I expect, especially given the fundamentals at play with Saudi Arabia, the US, that price will continue higher there. We are in a zone of demand, a zone of supply right now, right? But there is no wick on that daily candle. All right, and that usually means we're going to see some kind of follow through, right? But let's go to the 4-hour so we can take a closer look at this price action. Excuse me. And what do we see? Come on, man, work with me, doggone. All right. We can see that we had a very huge, it's just a great response, a great reaction to the demand inside of this monthly demand zone that price came into. See the change of character. We see the break of internal structure to the upside, and we broke a swing high on the 4-hour swing high to the upside. I mean, this is very bullish. And what are we looking for? A reaction at this supply. All right, this is a daily supply now, and we could very well see a pullback because we have CPI data coming. We have FOMC on Wednesday. We have CPI data coming out on Thursday. So we could see some sort of pullback, right? But I don't like these zones here as far as demand zones that price could continue higher. All right. This is the strongest one I've seen, and this is a daily zone. We have a 4-hour here. All right. I'm not in love with it because it is above the EQ, the 50% of this the range of this this impulse. All right. I'd like to take my long positions from below, at or below the 50% area of the midway of the bullish impulse. So I'm not in love with it, but I'm going to look for 15-minute confirmations, and we'll see if we can take buy positions from there. Do I suggest you to take sell positions as price pulls down, maybe all the way down here? No, I don't expect. I don't know if that's the best thing to do because we have a break of structure. Yeah, we're looking for a return to some kind of impulse, right? We're taking some liquidity up here, so you expect some kind of impulse, but taking sells is not what I'm looking for. I think it's safer to look for long positions because the internal structure is now bullish, right? And that is going to take precedent, and we may have formed the higher low to continue higher to make the higher high, all right? And I'm pro trend, all right? A pro trend would be looking for buys in this scenario. All right. This once we broke the swing high, that signals that this downtrend is over. Okay, and I'm going to look for a pullback, and I don't know if we're going to get it here or if we're going to get it here, but I'm not looking for a short to that pullback. I'll wait until price hits a clean setup. Look for confirmations here. Definitely look for confirmations here because I believe this is a high probability POI, and this one not high probability but probable. Okay, that's my outlook. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button and leave a comment that supports me, that supports this channel. All right, and you're supporting the work I do. Okay, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can catch the updates and let your friends know. All right, the next one I'm going to do is NZD USD. I'm going to get on that right now, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.